making today?
We're making strawberry popsicles.
See? Oh, can I have one? Let's start.
To make strawberry popsicles today, I've got strawberries and some sugar
And some little bit water.
Now I'm adding sugar. We need to add 5 spoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then next put in some water. Okay. Let's grind that. Let's pour it in here, the harder part. Now it's done, so it's time to remove this thing. Let me pour it in here so it will be easier to pour it in the cups. There you go. Okay. Now it's time to pour this thing in here. I'm gonna give it to my sister.
Good. Yeah.
Right there.
That's enough.
Okay.
What's a
Wait.
wait?
I'll do it first. Oh. Okay.
Now it's like this.
Okay, let's put it in the fridge for 8 hours. I'm gonna remove the popsicles. Yes! Nibrit, try it. Try
Yeah,
it.
that'll do it.
It's okay, try it.
Tastes good.
Okay, everything. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.